Na ako sa bodega karon, which is nagtanaw ko sa bagong color nga stocks sa mga cover kay available na mo dere is Euratix, which is kani siya, gisagol na ni siya og Dufoam nga foam. So kani nga part dere is all 48 inches. So, mo na ang 48 by 75. Mo na ang double size, which is good for 2 person. These are 54 by 75, which is family size. Kaya niya 3 to 4 person. 3 to 4 person, it means 2 adults and dalawang bata. Pwede yun. Okay? So, ayan guys, may Euratix. Tapos ito naman is Dufoam. Guys, I believe queen size to kasi ang niya, malapad siya. So, ganitong mga klaseng foams, Dufoams to, straight. So, kasi meron din kaming trifold which is also space saver. Ito straight yan, okay? So, these are queen sizes. Kaya nakikita mo, may label siya sa Euratix. 60 by 75. So, this is 4 inches, guys. Kaya yan, 4 inches. So, makikita mo sa label ng Euratix, king sizes is 72 by 75. So, this one is 2 inches lang. Mayroong 3 inches ito. Tapos, meron ding 4 inches. This one is king size, 6 inches. You can see it. It's original, guys. May warranty to 5 years. So, it's 72 by 75, 6 inches. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na Euratix Radiant Quilted Foams. Okay. We have here, this is queen size. Nakikita nyo, guys, yun. It's 6 inches. Ganyan siya kakapal. Okay? 6 inches. Ayan. Ito yung parang yung label niya. Tsaka warranty card. So, definitely guys, legit and original tong mga binibenta namin. So, ayan yung ibang sizes. My family sizes, which is 54 by 75. At doon sa bandang doon, yan yung Comfortex. This one, guys, is best seller namin to. So, yung mga business owners, yung dito sila kumukuha like in book talaga. So, ito kadalasan kinukuha nila, in-order nila like maramihan. Kasi affordable siya with 3 years warranty na, guys. So, we have this stock also in different sizes from single, standard to queen sizes. We only have 4 and 6 inches, guys. Just like the quilted Euratix, 4 and 6 inches. Okay? Medyo madilim dito, guys, ha? Pero these are some stocks of our Comfortex foams. Ayan. So, don't worry, guys, pag mag-order kayo, may stocks kami dito available. Again, it's available in 4 and 6 inches only, okay? Part, guys, ito yung mga single sizes, okay? So, meron dito 36 by 75. So, 36 by 75, guys, is good for 1 person, okay? So, ayan, kita nyo? 36 by 75. So, this one is Euratix. Again, it's 6 inches. Those part na doon, yun yung 30 by 75. May Euratix, may Dufoam straight, at saka Multimax. So, in different sizes then, from 24 by 75. Those are inches, guys, okay? So, 24 by 75, single, and then 30 by 75, up to king size, available kami sa Multimax. So, ayan, guys. Ay, tour ko kayo, guys, ha. Meron din kaming pillows, guys. Alright, Comfortex, Euratix Quilted Foams. Andun sa third room, andun yung mga single sizes at saka Comfortex. Okay, dito guys yung Euratix and Dufoams na double sizes, family sizes, at saka queen, dong banda doon, and then lastly, dong doon sa may part na sa wall, yun yung mga king sizes. At saka ito isa guys, yan ay isang sample ng king size 6 inches. Punta naman tayo dito guys. Okay, so here naman, okay, alam naman natin guys na we also wanted to save space at home, lalo na yung mga nakatira sa maliliit na apartments, maliliit na bahay. Gusto natin makasave ng lugar. So we have here Cleo sofa beds. So these are the type of mattress or foams na pwede mong i-fold like a small sofa bed, like ganito. Yan guys. So for this one, this is size double 6. Okay, that's 48 by 75. So ganito siya guys pag fino-fold. At dun sa part na doon, that's single standard. Okay, this one is family. And then that one is queen size. Comes along with one free throw pillow. Ganito guys. Also have the Dufoam trifold. So this is how it looks pag naka-fold siya guys. So this one, okay, let me see. Alright, this is size queen. So it's showing here 60 by 75. This is 2 inches. This one is mas thicker siya. I believe this is 4 inches guys. And this one is 4 inches. This one is 2 inches. This is family size. And that one is double. Yeah, double. And this one is single size. So, ang cute nito, tingnan nyo. This one is 30 by 75. So, ang cute niya guys. Yan. Napansin nyo, may mga kakaibang sizes kami dito sa sa video na nakukuha. These are customized request ng mga customers. So, these are based on their bed frame. Gusto nilang magpa-customize. Pwede siya, guys. And it would take 1 to 2 weeks para ma-deliver because it will deliver together with the stocks every week. Available dito, Euratix Classic Foams, Quilted Foams, Comfortex, Dufoam Straight, and Dufoam Trifolds together with Cleo sofa beds. Okay, so I'll show you sa mga pillows guys. So we have there also the buy one take one gentle bounce, and then we also have the Snoozy. Perfect guys pag palagi kang nagsuffer ng stiff neck nang dahil sa pillows mo. It's your time to change your pillows guys. Nagsuffer ako ng stiff neck kaya I changed my pillow to this one, Snoozy. I'll show you. Okay, so this is it, Snoozy. Super soft. And guys, I think that's all for today. Alright, so lastly guys, I wanted to let you know na we offer free delivery in Mandawi City, Lapu-Lapu City, and selected areas in Cebu City guys. So, sino yung mga taga Cebu? Kisa mga Bisaya diha. Go guys, order na mo. Let me know and send me a message. And I think that's all for today guys.